Mounir, congratulations on the award last night at the TM Forum Awards ceremony. Fantastic win. Now, you were described as being able to transform OSS faster than anybody else.
Thank you, Mike. Yesterday we were honored and humbled by this award that we won from the TM Forum. But it is true that over the last 2 years, we undertook a major disruptive, innovative effort to transform completely the service assurance functions and to break principles that have prevailed in our industry for the last 30 years. So for the last 30 years, service assurance has been always seen as a tactical function, as a cost center, just delivering, monitoring, dashboarding, some event management, etc., but not really creating a lot of value for the business. The second thing, it was always a manual function, needing a lot of manual processes and human intervention to deliver and to be configured and delivered what it needs to deliver. Third, it was really a silo-based function scattered across multiple domains, technologies, vendors, etc. It was never working in real time, and it was never really working in an efficient way because it was based on rigid hardware on-premise that was not scalable. And we turned this upside down. So we undertook this innovation by first cloudifying service assurance and building a cloud-native platform architected in microservices, in containers, that can run on any private or public clouds. So that's number one, and makes it scalable, like any kind of web-native system or function. Second, we have collapsed all these boundaries that have existed between PM, FM, SQM, etc., and brought them together to deliver simplification on the one hand and a much higher processing and intelligence on the other hand. Third, what we have done is we have brought into it a lot of automation and to basically remove the need for this human intervention. So all the way from the onboarding towards the healing of the network, everything runs in closed loop with very little need for the human intervention and the latency that would be introduced by people. And finally, on the pricing side, we also completely changed the equation by introducing innovative pricing models that are based on subscriptions that allow our customer to then have a much more pay-as-you-grow type and scalable type of pricing, so they can invest in service assurance. And with all of this, service assurance moves from being what it was as a tactical solution to a digital brain that can really power these networks of the future and allows our customers to deliver real-time, on-demand digital services.
And if somebody wants to find a case study for this, you're on stage today with 3.
Absolutely. 3 today is a flagship customer for us. And by the way, they have one of the most ambitious digital transformation agendas in the industry. And this is because it has some very clear business objectives stated by their leadership, and they presented them today. Automating 80% of their operations, improving their net promoter score of their customers by and large, doubling the number of their customers, and becoming the most loved brand in the UK. Ambitious objectives, but very much clearly stated and articulated and trickled down through the organization. So we saw how we were delivering this digital brain to 3's kind of telco cloud network, and the first phase of this project has been now delivered. It's running in AWS, so another risk taken by 3, another innovation in service assurance running on public cloud as opposed to the on-premise traditional model. And also the solution covers network and IT, and across both the physical and the hybrid network. And so we could expect a lot of benefits for them, and they will use it certainly not only to manage the network, but in a world where today we're talking a lot about partnership and collaboration, this key asset that we are building for them will be exposed by them to then assure and monetize services, that very complex services that will be built with other partners across the digital value chain, and that will create tremendous growth opportunities for them and with consumers, for enterprises, but also with other industry verticals. So very exciting moment and a fantastic collaboration model here.
Tremendous, Mounir. Congratulations again.
Thank you.